Hi, it's Tom from Rearward Transits. This is a walk around video of our latest van in stock. So here we've got a Ford Transit Custom Tourneo Titanium Independence RS. Now this is a WAV or wheelchair accessible vehicle, and its inside is fitted with 4 Q restraints and a bifold ramp. This particular van has 5 fixed seats, 3 seats in the second row, which can fold flat, they can be reversed, and they can also be completely removed, and space for 1 wheelchair and occupant in the third row. L1H1, 6-speed automatic, 130 PS, 310. Just under 7,300 miles and registered 11th of the 2nd, 2019, and comes with the balance of full Ford manufacturer's warranty, or 100,000 miles, so 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. As it's the titanium series, it's very well spec'd, so parking sensors front and rear, dual side loading doors, tinted second and third row windows, body colour door handles, body colour mirrors. Side steps, you get 17-inch alloy wheels, extended wheel arches. Rearward Transits have fitted a stainless steel upgraded driver security door lock. It's also fitted with a black powder coated roof rack, heated windscreen, cornering fog lights, 5-bar chrome grille, entrance up the bifold ramp, and straight away you can see the 2 headrests. So you've got the single passenger cab seat, I'll show you later on, and behind that in the second row the 3 fold flat, removable and reversible seats, again I'll show you in just a second. In the back you get manual air conditioning, second and third row sunblinds, and here are the WAV features. So you've got the 2 rear Q restraints, and the front 2. For information on how to secure a wheelchair, please see our other WAV videos on YouTube, which also demonstrates the 3-point diagonal seatbelt. Here you can now see the space available with the second row chairs removed. Now you can see the second row seats in the forward facing position. Isofix on the outer 2. So inside the cab is in excellent condition along with the rest of the van. Here you can see the single cab passenger seat. So 10-way adjustment including lumbar support. Same story for the driver's side. Telescopic height adjustable steering wheel, you get cab carpet, and you also get this cup holder with a cubby hole. Electric windows, electric power folding door mirrors, automatic headlights with daytime running, automatic rain sensing wipers, voice activation when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, speed limiter, cruise control, and 6-speed automatic, so just the 2 pedals. Then over here you've got your air conditioning, you've got the 2 heated seats, the heated windscreen, you've got quick clear, you've got quick cool, and up here's the Ford Sync 3 entertainment system, so a great blend of touchscreen and physical buttons. You connect that through USB, you can then access Android or Apple CarPlay. And I'm just going to confirm the miles. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we've got a Ford Transit Custom Tourneo Titanium Independence RS. 4Q restraints and a bifold ramp. This is a 6-speed automatic. You've got 5 fixed seats and space for 1 wheelchair and occupant in the 3rd row. Lovely low mileage, just under 7,300. Excellent condition inside and out. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.